Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will begin by opening Settings and going to Biometrics and Security, then Fingerprints. You need a backup PIN or pattern set already. This protects access if the sensor fails. Once there, follow the prompts and place your finger on the sensor area at the bottom center of the screen. Do this now because the phone captures multiple angles. Slight adjustments let it learn the ridge patterns. Make sure the screen and your finger are dry for accurate scans. Now you will add the fingerprint itself by tapping Add Fingerprint and following the press cues. You should press briefly, lift, and reposition to record edges and varied angles. This improves recognition speed and reduces false rejects. Once done with the core impressions, slightly roll your finger to capture side ridges so unlocking works when your finger is at a slant. Make sure you repeat until the progress bar reaches completion for a reliable profile. Finish by naming the fingerprint and enabling unlock with fingerprint in the same menu. You should test unlocking 5 to 10 times with varying pressure and slight angle changes. This verifies the sensor learned well. Once satisfied, register a second finger if you use a different hand. If unlocking is inconsistent, remove the fingerprint and re-register it, or clean the screen and your finger. This troubleshooting tip fixes most read errors because oils or a protector can block the sensor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.